Welcome back to another Ross review, everyone. This week on the show, we're standing next to a 1994 Honda Civic EG. This is not your standard EG, as you can probably tell. This thing is heavily modified and downright insane. We're going, Lochy.
How are you, Ross?
Yeah, good, mate. Cheers. So yeah, please introduce us to your car, man.
Alright, so this is my 1994 Rocket Bunny EG Civic. I've owned this car for about 3 or 4 months now.
Yep.
So it's got a V16 engine swap, Japanese one, so it was imported from Japan, with all forged internals, so pistons, rods.
Yeah, true.
Yep. High compression.
God damn.
Yep. So it's had the whole aircon and power steering removed, all the wire tucked to make it look nice and clean.
There's a lot of empty space in there, isn't there?
Yeah. Well, I'm actually going to be turboing it, so plenty of room for all that when that comes around.
Let's bring it on the show again.
Yeah. It's got some custom-made work seekers imported from Japan as well. So this is actually the first Honda Civic to feature 17-inch rims.
Really?
Yeah, and that's by 10.5 inch wide.
And they look good.
Yeah, so the front's got -4 degrees camber,
Yeah.
and the back has -3. The Rocket Bunny kit, obviously you get the wide flares on the back, front, the spoiler on the back, and the front lips. And
So those canards kind of
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got slotted and drilled front rotors, Recaro seat,
Yep.
no back seats.
It's been stripped out basically.
Yeah, quite a bit's been stripped out of it to save weight.
Yeah.
No back seats, and yeah,
Man.
that's basic overview.
What kind of rubber are you running on these things? Like the tires look really.
They're semi-slicks, yeah.
Yeah, geez.
Sestino semi-slicks.
Now, I did notice there's a strut brace at the front as well.
Yeah, there's one in the engine, one on the back, and one underneath the car as well.
You got 3 struts going on. Yeah.
It has a Honda tuned ECU, so it has a 6K launch control, 10,000 RPM rev limiter.
10,000.
10,000.
VTEC, eh?
Yeah.
I've never driven a VTEC, so it's going to be interesting.
Yeah. Well, it's nothing crazy, but I mean, you have a heap of fun driving it.
Because what is the actual horsepower you're running on this thing now?
220 horsepower to the wheels.
220 to the wheels.
Yeah,
and
so it's not heaps, but for a 1.6 litre engine, naturally aspirated,
that's
not bad.
And what's this car? Do you know kind of the curb weight of it right now?
Yeah, about 900 kilos.
220 horsepower to the wheels in a 900 kilo car.
Yeah.
That should be interesting.
Yeah. Definitely throw it around corners and
Yeah.
let it go.
Torque steer much?
Yeah, especially up above like 6,000-7,000 RPM. First and second gear is pretty bad. But otherwise, having no power steering really helps. Yeah.
Well, this should be fun. Should we go for a cruise?
Yeah, sure.
here. It's going to be noisy. We're just going to have to talk loud and hopefully you guys can hear us.
Yeah. I'll kind of give it a bit around this corner now. So yeah, it grips up really well.
Yeah, it does have good grip.
You do have to fight it. Like, it will pull the steering wheel and everything else, and you gotta hold on.
I love a car that has a bit of torque steer, like
Personality.
I really do. And you can hear when that VTEC actually kicks in, hey, it's like, it's going, and then you think it's about to tap out, and then it just goes even more, like, and you can hear that, like,
I always hate saying the word like, oh, you feel the VTEC, like it sounds really, but you do.
You can't actually hear it when it jumps into VTEC.
Yeah, for sure.
Bit of a dip in the road there.
If you want, we'll just pull up here and you can jump in and have a drive.
Yeah, that'd be sick, man.
Yeah.
Man, I feel like I'm about 10 years old sitting in this seat right now. Like, I'm so low in this car.
It looks like a tiny little bit in the road, and you go over and it's like bang.
Man, you see like the smallest dip in the road and you're like, oh shit, hold on. Man, this thing is like, and it's funny because like, you feel like you're going like 200 miles an hour, like, because the steering is like, there's so much play in it, and like, it's just so violent and loud. And once that VTEC comes in, it's just like, you just can't hear anything. But it is like, the faster you go, the steering it does like move
All over the place.
and you gotta be on your toes when you're like holding on. But man, it's a rush to drive. Casual fire next to
Yeah,
us.
shit. Maybe slow down.
Woo! Man, this thing is just like, it's insanity. It's what it is. Like, and you like kind of dailing this right now at the moment, aren't you?
Only because I have to.
Man, that's commitment.
My BMW's gone into limp mode, and I haven't had a chance to
yes.
get it sorted out, figure it out.
The typical BMW mode.
Yeah.
Man, this thing is wild. Just such a raw drive. Like, that's the coolest thing about this car, you know, it's just so raw. Like, nothing is like assisted. There's nothing helping you, just like the car, the motor, like, you know, the steering is directly attached to the wheels. Like, there's no computers helping you out on anything, and there's something special about that. Alright, we'll finish the video off here, guys. huge thanks to Lachy. Thank you for bringing the car out, man. This thing was pretty insane. First Honda on the show, so that's something cool. Now you've got a Instagram page as well. It's Lachy Rocket Bunny, is it?
It's at Rocket Bunny Lachy.
I'll leave it in the description below anyways, guys. Check it out. Some pretty cool content on there. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a super unique car. And yeah, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you're new here. And we'll see you on the next video.